It's learning time! Today we're learning about number 9. Here is the number 9. Can you say it with me? 9. Let's say it one more time. 9. Count with me to represent the number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here we have 9 blocks. Now let's see the other ways that 9 can be represented. We have 9 fingers. Here is 9 on a 10 frame. We have 9 on the dice. And 9 on a number line. We have 9 on a domino. And 9 on the unicorn. Nine in words. Well done identifying number 9 in different ways. Now let's practice writing the number 9. Start from a point, take it down to make a curve. Now you take it back to the top and down to make a stroke. So to write the number 9, you need a curve, take it back to the top and down to make a stroke. Let's see if we can identify number 9 in the park. We have number 9 on the tree. Number 9 in the sky. And number 9 on the bench. Awesome! Keep practicing to identify number 9 in different ways. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.